Hi everyone, I'm Jess and today I'll be stepping away from my usual marketing, filming and photography role at AOS. Today I'll be doing some baking in the Delivita wood-fired pizza oven. For this video I'll be using Delivita's skillet brownie recipe, but I'll be giving it a bit of a makeover and using gluten-free flour instead, as well as gluten-free digestive biscuits. I really hope this video can prove to you just how versatile these clay ovens can be, even for a beginner like me. So wish me luck and let's get into it. So this brownie recipe is a bit special. It has a unique biscuit base which will add an extra layer of crunch and some extra flavour. So to make this, I'm going to start by cutting 50 grams of butter and melting it in my tray in the pizza oven. So whilst the butter's melting in the pizza oven, I'm going to get on with the next step. This is to crush 6 to 7 digestives ready to mix with the butter to form the base. I think I might use a few extra of these though because they're a little bit smaller than normal digestives. So now that that's combined, I'm going to coat the bottom of the tray, trying to create an even layer, and that will then go in the pizza oven for 8 to 10 minutes. While I wait for that, I'm going to start on the brownie mix. For this, I'm breaking up 300 grams of dark chocolate ready to melt with 200 grams of unsalted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients to the chocolate. That's 60 grams of flour, ,60 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, and lastly 300 grams of caster sugar, and mix until combined. So now that all the ingredients are mixed together, I'm going to add it to the biscuit base. So the brownie mix is now in the tray, and the pizza oven has lowered in temperature to more of a medium heat. So I'm going to put it in the pizza oven. So the brownie's been in the oven for about 22 minutes now, and I'm about to take it out and put some marshmallows on. So the brownie with the marshmallows on has been in the oven for about an extra 10 minutes now. It was supposed to only be 2, but the oven had cooled down quite a bit, so I left it in for a bit longer. But that's looking really tasty. So I have a feeling it's going to taste quite similar to s'mores with the marshmallow topping, the chocolate and the biscuit base, but we'll soon find out. I just had a taste test. It was very messy, but tasted so good. Very similar to s'mores with the marshmallows, the chocolate and the biscuit base. The brownie was so gooey as well, which was amazing, and I highly recommend trying it if you have your own pizza oven. If not, definitely buy yourself one purely just to make this. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to see more up-to-date content, we also have Instagram and Facebook. There we try and post a few times a week. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll pass you to Jodie for the next one.